Rusiñol chose to enter the Catalan and Spanish art scene. A painter, narrator, collector, dramatist, amateur archaeologist, journalist, and key figure of the Modernista movement. Santiago Rusiñol conceived of art as a priesthood and of the artist as the chosen one who, due to an inequitable calling, is predestinated to the sacrifice of living as ideal to the ultimate consequences. Santiago Rusiñol, it was from Sitges that Rusiñol spread his theory of total art, of art as a new relation. The celebration of the Festes Modernistes, the building of the Cau Ferrat, and the inauguration of the monument El Greco made Sitges the mecca of the modernism and Rusiñol the high priest of his new movement that aspired to transform society through culture. Thanks to this, Rusiñol was able to build up his own personal mythos. Rusiñol arrived in Sitges in October 1891 and stayed there until January 1892. Rusiñol paid 1,000 pesetas for the house, another 2,000 to have it knocked down to a new one called built to serve as a home and studio. Rusiñol soon realized that there was not enough room. However, and in May 1894, he bought the house next door to complete the building of the Cau Ferrat as it exists today. Unlike the collection of ironwork, part of which already decorated the walls of the studio workshop in Barcelona that Santiago Rusiñol shared with Enric Clarasó, the collection of glass arrived in Sitges after the Cau Ferrat was built. In the Great Hall is found the collection of glass from modern times, while the Sala del Brollador is the setting for archaeological or antique glass.